Are you puzzled by those annoying hiccups? Let's crack the mystery wide open. Alright, so here's the lowdown. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, yep, that muscle under your lungs, decides to throw a little tantrum. It spasms, and bam, you get a hiccup. But why? Well, it could be anything from eating too fast, drinking soda, or even getting excited. Your diaphragm's like, whoa, slow down, buddy. And get this, there's a nerve involved. The vagus nerve. Sounds fancy, right? When it gets irritated, it sends a message to your diaphragm to spasm. Result? The hic sound we all know and love. Or hate. So, next time you hiccup, remember, it's just your body's way of saying, take it easy, pal. Now you know. Drop a like if you learned something new and hit that subscribe button for more cool facts. Catch you later.